penalty shootout. 5 penalties each. Best of 5. One down.
One of them has to be left footed. I'm going left footed first.
Oh.
No more technique, please, isn't it?
Let's go for the left footed.
Nothing to lose at this stage. Oh no, let's put the real pressure on.
This one to win it.
Oh, let's go down 3-0 on a penalty shootout.
That was close. Just didn't quite come close on it. You said it was close.
Pardon?
Wait, you've got 3 left, haven't you?
Yeah. I don't need to score it.
Oh no, that wasn't.
That wasn't to win it, was it?
No,
Have I got 3 left? Or have I missed 2 rights and missed a left? I think I've only got 2 left. I think I do need to score this.
yeah, you do score. Oh, he has!
Risen to the challenge! Didn't even touch the side.
So this is the last penalty. And there's 2-1 to me.
This could mean
Good night, Vienna.
don't even have to. Oh my goodness, the pressure on this last shot. This could be Sweden versus Northern Ireland.
All over again. Got to score to stay in it. If he scores it, it goes to sudden death.
Oh, come on!
Oh no, it's too blasé.
Oh, now the pressure's really on Carl. The momentum is all with me.
He's 100% from his left foot. Just like to remind the spectators that he's tempted. Oh, how close can you get?
Oh no! Carl, this side-on technique, a slight angle.
Oh.
Very weak! Very weak!
He's bottled that. He's bottled that. Let's go back to the more traditional straight shot.
Oh no!
Oh!
It's the 3rd time
Oh!
he had to score. Every time he's had to, he's done it. What an absolute roller coaster this has been. Ah! Good game, good game.
Got that one more.